Hi, hello friends, welcome to my channel. I'm Jolene. I like to share all things beauty, shopping, decor, and more. I love to share my subscription boxes, and that's what I have today. I was actually excited because I got my ipsyglambag and my Boxycharm by Ipsy together. So rarely does that happen. Usually I have to do them separately, but I'm going to do them together today. So I'm going to try to go through it fairly quick. So here we are, and let's get to it. Okay, friends, I'm going to do the Glam bag first. And since it's the month of October, it looks like we have a little bit of a spooky bag. Not always my favorite. I love Halloween, but I don't know if... Anyway, I got... So here, it's called Beauty Nightmares is the theme. So there's the card. And the first thing I got, since it came in the bag, not the little bag, but okay. I usually show the bag first, right? So here's the bag. It's black and white. It's got spooky things on it. And it's got a cute little purple, let's see, a purple pull. That psychic shoes, a little round ball. There we go. That's what the little zipper is. It's always cute. And then inside it's just pink. So anyway, the first thing I got is a brush from Wing Me. And this looks like, kind of like it might be, let's see. It's just, it says all over eyeshadow brush. So it's kind of big if you want to do all over. Or it could be, it would be a good highlighter. Anyway, so there's that. Wing Me makes decent brushes. It feels pretty good. So that's the first thing. They consider brushes a full-size product, so that's always nice. The next thing I have in here is, this is from Context and Context Skin, and I believe this is a bronzer. Let's see what we got here. Okay. So it's a nice color, just a basic bronzer. Anyway, I like it, but I have so many bronzers. This will probably go in my giveaway or my little bags that I make up for friends. So there's that from Context Skin. The next thing I'm pulling out here is from Tasha. And this is, it says, this is the rice wash is what they call it. It's made with rice powder and it's just a face wash. I hear it smells really good. And, oh, it doesn't have a thing on it. So I can actually see if that's true. So there's just a little bit of it. Okay. It does smell good. Oh, it smells really good. It's kind of really thick and pasty, which is different for me for a cleanser, but I think I like it. It feels kind of, I don't know how to explain it. It's just thick and pasty. Anyway, that's the best way I can explain it. Smells good, but actually there's several washes in that, so not a bad thing. That's a good brand. So that was my third thing. The fourth thing I have, I'm pulling out here, this is from Beauty Stat. This is a peptide wrinkle relaxing moisturizer. I hear good things about this too. Beauty Stat has some pretty decent items. This one is covered, so I won't get to it, but anything that's supposed to relax wrinkles or whatever is good in my book. So, all right. So the last thing I have here is from Thread Beauty. I think it's, anyway, this is a multi-stick, use complexion stick. Okay, so I guess there's several uses for it, but they mainly just call it a complexion stick. Okay, so here it is. This again is Thread Beauty, and it's a complexion stick. That's what it looks like. I kind of like it, and it comes up. I don't know how much you get in here. Not bad for a sample. I have a feeling, I just have this feeling that I picked this in my choice. I don't remember. Oh, yeah, it does say you picked this. So just because I thought it was an interesting product, and you can see a little bit of it there. Kind of get my under eye circles here. Anyway, yeah, I'm excited about this. This is kind of cool. Anyway, so yeah, that's kind of my favorite thing in here, I think. But anyway, there's the cute bag. We got the rice face wash, the moisturizer, we got the bronzer, the contour stick, and the brush, all in this cute bag right here. So there we go. That's my Glam bag for the month of October. Now we're going to get to the Boxycharm. So here is my Ipsy. I got my Boxycharm box, and let's open it up. It's very heavy. This is like filled to the brim, I can tell. So very full. Okay. Here we go. Take a quick look at that. I did get 8 extra items because I got, they're small things that I got in the add-ons. I always like to pick up their cheap add-ons. So here we go. But the first thing I'm going to pull out, I'm going to show you their picks for me, what they picked. And so the power picks from Ipsy was the, it's Clara's New York Brightening Vitamin C Serum. I believe I have used this one before and I like it. It's a decent one. I love vitamin C serums. I do go through them right now. I've kind of picked up a lot again. So anyway, I think I'm using a First Aid Beauty one right now, and I have a Tula one as a backup, and now I got this one. I mean, I have some others too, but anyway, I will use this product. I like it. It's a good product. And the next one they picked for me is Dewy Skin. This is the Dewy Skin tint from Ciate London. And let's see what it looks like. Okay, it just comes in this little gold container. I like it, the little thing. Let me see. Okay, it does have oh, it's coming up. So I can take it off. It had a little thing on it, but since it was coming up, I'll go ahead and so that's what it looks like. Looks like it might be a little yellow or warm for my skin, a little dark. Yeah, I don't like the color at all, but there it is. It looks better. It looks actually better with the light, so maybe it would look okay on my face. I don't know, but it just rubbed in. They don't really call it, do they call it? They don't really call it a primer, but let's see what they say about it. Okay, this is valued at $32. It's kind of get your glow on with a sheer skin tint. It delivers luminous natural coverage with an ultra dewy glass-like finish, infused with vitamin C for brightening, yazoo and dragon fruit for antioxidant power, and hyaluronic acid for deep hydration. The formula is your secret to radiant, dewy skin. Okay, I like that. It's packed with lots of good things for your skin, so that's good. So there's my 2 power picks from them. Now my 3 picks, and I'm going to show these on the screen what my choices were and what my picks were. But okay, so my first pick, I picked a skincare item. I picked this is Tula Skincare, and it is the, let's see, 24/7 Ultra Hydration Triple Hydra Complex Day and Night Serum. Anything Tula is great. I use Tula products. The main ones, I always use their face wash, and I use their, I use exfoliant from them. I've used their vitamin C serum, which I love and have some of that. So this one's a little bit different kind, but I can't turn down. I just can't turn it down. So anyway, so that was my first pick. And also this was a $48 value. So pretty good value. So there's that. Now the second pick I have here is, I can't remember all the choices. That's why I'm putting them up on the screen. But this is I didn't realize it was going to be this big. But this is from Lunar Beauty, I believe. Lunar Beauty, and it is a, it says it's a moon shroom, so it's not a mushroom, but it's a moon shroom, and they call it that because it is a highlighter palette. So this is the box. Like I said, it's kind of a big palette. It's thick too. So anyway, open it up, and there's our highlighters. There we go. I really like these. I actually would use, now this could be a nice blush, but I also like these because I think they would shimmer. I think they'd be nice on the eyes too. I like to do a little bit of shimmer sometimes on my eyelids. So I think this would be, there would be multiple uses for this. So I'm actually really happy about this product. So it looks like a decent product. So there's my second pick. My third pick, they had an eyeshadow palette, so I went for it. You know, we used to get eyeshadow palettes all the time from Boxycharm, but we just don't see them that much anymore. So I went ahead and picked this. It's, let's see, it's from Eloise Beauty, and it's the Goddess eyeshadow palette. So there's the package, and then I open it up, and there we go. So it's got some pretty neutral tones, kind of blue-greenish too. This is kind of a teal. This is a navy. Oh, they're really pretty though. So anyway, there's that. So that was my third pick. So anyway, I got the eyeshadow, the face palette, and these are my three picks. So I also got the Dewy Skin and the Vitamin C. So there's my 5 items in my box. Now I also get the add-on, what do you call it? The Beauty Boost. And for the Beauty Boost this month, I got, it's from Fenty Skin. And you know what this is? I just bought this. I didn't realize I had it, that I was getting it as my Beauty Boost. I didn't remember. And I actually just bought this in the shop because it looked really good. So it is just a body butter, and I love kind of body butters like this. It's valued at $46. And it's a decent size. I think it's 200 milliliters. I think that's 6.7 fluid ounces inside. So let's see what we got here. Okay, so there we go. Don't absolutely love the smell. Now it just kind of feels like a lotion, I guess. That's kind of what it is. I'm going to put a little bit on my arm here. So it feels really good. So it does have kind of a little light scent. It's called Butter Drop Whipped Body Oil Cream. So there's oil in it too, and I like that. I love when your skin, now I don't know if you can tell, but there's a little bit of a shine there. So I actually really like this. So I'm excited. So now I own 2. So we'll see if I'll give it as a gift or keep it. But anyway, so that's from Fenty. So my first add-on, I'm going to open this. This is from Pacifica Beauty. This is Glimmer Shimmer Highlighter and Blush. And actually, I got 2 of these. I bought 2 different colors, and I'm only seeing one in here. So I don't know which one it is. I think it's the one I wanted the least. But that's what it looks like. It's a highlight and a blush. There we go. So it's pretty. These were like $3.50, and I just thought that was a good deal for these. So there's that. I'm missing one. So I'm going to have to contact them. I'm missing that, and I'll see what else I'm missing. I have an eye cream. It's by Shiseido. I don't remember getting that, but I don't see it here. So I think that's the other one I'm missing. It's an eye cream. So I have a Dew of the Gods. Let's see what this is. This is a Sorbet Hyaluronic Lip Butter and Strawberry Mandarin. So I'm kind of excited about this. Okay, that took me a while to get open. I don't know why they make things so hard sometimes. I mean, I guess I appreciate that, so people can't tamper with them, but anyway. So this is Dew of the Gods, and I can't remember. I think, like I said, I think these were all like $3.50 items. So they had some pretty good deals for that price. That's what it looks like. It's just a small lip, and just kind of, there we go. It's just kind of, strawberry mandarin. Oh my gosh, that's so good. Anyway, so I'm happy with that. The next thing I have in here is from Fresh. It's Fresh Sugar, and it's a watermelon lip balm. It's another, it's just a package, like, came in a box, and then it's real cute. So there's that, and that's what it looks like inside. So anyway, makes me just want to dip my finger in it, but I'm not going to. So I have that, and then I have two other small things here. One is from Benefit. It's just the professional. It's the matte primer. It's one I haven't used. I think their primer is like one of my favorites, but this one's a little different. I don't know what's different about it, but it's tiny. It's just like a little pink. Great for travel, just for a travel primer. So there's that. And then I got blush drops from Rodial. And this is in Frosted Pink. So, okay, it's just very pink, frosty pink. Let's see what we got here. I have this lotion on my hands and stuff, so my hands are not wanting to open this. Okay. So there's the doe foot, and I'm gonna... Okay, it's not really... It's not really showing up much. But I like it. I like it, and Rodial is a good brand. So there's that. So, and then the last thing I have in here is just because for $3.50, I don't know. These look like good. They're from, this is from Koki Professional, and it's just cleansing wipes. They're micellar water. So if I can get these for $3 or $3.50, I usually will pick them up because I use them all the time. So anyway, always use wipes. So there we go. That's it for all my fun little add-ons. Right here, I got the blush highlighter, the Koki. So like I said, I'm missing a couple items. I don't know what happened, but anyway, I'm gonna have to contact them about that. But that's it for the month of October. I hope you guys enjoyed this. If you received a Boxycharm, let me know what you got. I'd love to see it. And anyway, let me know what you think of this, what I got. Do you think it was a good box? I'm pretty happy with it, actually. So, anyway, not bad. So, thank you for being here. Thank you for your support. I'd love if you'd subscribe. Hit the like button, do those things to support my channel, and I will see you guys all in the next one. All right, friends? Bye-bye.